When you think of General Motors, what comes to mind? Perhaps images of classic American cars, or maybe even your grandfather's trusty old ride. Forget the old stereotypes. It's time to cast aside those preconceived notions. This isn't your grandfather's Automaker anymore. This is a new GM, a company reborn. GM is transforming into a tech powerhouse, a force to be reckoned with in the modern age. They're aiming to lead the auto revolution, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the automotive world. CEO Mary Barra is steering this ship into the future, a future driven by innovation and sustainability. Think software, the brains behind the modern vehicle, batteries, the heart of the electric revolution, and autonomous driving, the future of transportation. The market still sees GM as old school, a relic of the past. But that's a mistake, a gross underestimation of their potential. Their brands, Chevrolet, a name synonymous with American automotive; Cadillac, the epitome of luxury and sophistication; GMC, rugged and reliable, built for the toughest jobs; Buick, are household names with deep loyalty, brands that have stood the test of time. Now, they're leveraging that brand power for the electric era, electrifying their iconic lineup. GM isn't a cash-burning startup, they're not just dreaming of the future. It's a real company with real factories and a real plan, a tangible strategy for success. Wall Street is underestimating them, failing to see the forest for the trees. And that's your opportunity, your chance to capitalize on their oversight. The market values GM like a boring industrial, a slow-moving giant, but it's got the heart of a tech disruptor, a nimble innovator ready to shake things up. When that perception shifts, when the market finally recognizes their true potential, the stock could soar. This is your chance to get in before the crowd, to be ahead of the curve. Don't let this opportunity drive by, leaving you in the dust. GM is changing fast, don't miss it or you'll regret it. Booyah! Let's dive into the financial world and talk numbers. GM's latest earnings have not just met expectations, they've absolutely crushed them. The company has demonstrated a remarkable ability to navigate the complexities of the current market. Revenue is up significantly, showcasing strong consumer demand and effective sales strategies. Trucks and SUVs are flying off lots at an impressive rate, continuing to be a major driver of revenue and profitability for the company. And the combustion engine business is not just surviving, it's thriving, still acting as a powerful cash machine, providing substantial financial resources. That cash is strategically fueling their ambitious electric transformation, allowing GM to invest heavily in research, development, and infrastructure. Margins are strong and healthy, indicating efficient operations and effective cost management across the board, showing that management is running a tight ship, carefully navigating the challenges and opportunities in the automotive industry. Even in a tough and uncertain economy, GM is consistently delivering value for its shareholders, demonstrating resilience and adaptability. But the real story here? The EV business is ramping up at an impressive and accelerating pace, signaling a significant shift in the company's focus. Ultium battery production is scaling rapidly, providing the essential components needed to power GM's growing fleet of electric vehicles. And real, tangible cars are finally reaching real customers, marking a crucial step in the company's transition to electric mobility. The EV side is finally contributing in a big way to the overall financial performance, validating the company's strategic investments. The core business remains healthy and robust, providing a stable foundation for future growth and innovation, generating substantial cash flow that enables strategic investment in future technology and cutting-edge innovation projects. GM's overall strategy is clearly working, and the financial foundation is undeniably solid, positioning the company for long-term success. The numbers tell a compelling story of transformation, growth, and a clear path towards a sustainable and profitable future. Don't ignore the fundamentals. GM is not just planning, they are actively and successfully executing their strategic vision. The future looks bright, filled with opportunities for continued growth and innovation in the automotive industry. Let's talk cash, specifically dividends. GM paused its dividend during the pandemic, but now it's back and bigger. That's a huge vote of confidence from management. A strong dividend means profits are real and sustainable. While you wait for Wall Street to catch on, GM pays you to be patient. The dividend yield cushions your investment and provides steady income. In a volatile market, that's a big deal. Plus, GM is buying back shares, making your stake more valuable. Dividends and buybacks show management is focused on shareholder returns. They're not just building cars, they're building wealth. This is a winning strategy for investors. Get paid while you wait for the upside. The future is electric, a shift that's no longer on the horizon but rapidly approaching. It's a transformation of personal transportation and the automotive industry as a whole. And GM's Ultium platform is the game changer, the foundation upon which their electric ambitions are built. It represents a significant investment and a strategic advantage. It's a flexible, modular system, designed to accommodate a wide range of vehicle types and performance characteristics, powering everything from Hummer EVs, the behemoths of the electric world, showcasing the platform's capabilities at the high end, to affordable Equinox EVs, bringing electric mobility to the masses. This is about accessibility, not just luxury. This slashes costs and speeds up new model launches, a critical advantage in a rapidly evolving market. Efficiency is key to profitability. GM is also becoming a software company, a transformation that's essential for modern automakers. Think subscriptions, over-the-air updates, features that enhance the user experience and provide ongoing value, and new revenue streams, diversifying their income and building customer loyalty. This is about recurring revenue, not just one-time sales. Don't forget Cruise, their autonomous vehicle division, a bold bet on the future of transportation. A potential multi-billion-dollar business, poised to disrupt the transportation landscape. The upside is enormous. GM's product pipeline is stacked, a clear indication of their commitment to an all-electric future. Silverado EV, Blazer EV, iconic names reimagined for the electric age. Lyric and more, covering a wide spectrum of consumer preferences and needs. They're not dabbling, they're going all in on EVs, a strategic decision that sets them apart from some of their competitors. Factories are retooled, a massive undertaking that demonstrates their long-term vision. Batteries are rolling out, the heart of the electric vehicle revolution. And cars are hitting the streets now, a tangible sign of progress and execution. The market sees risk, I see opportunity, a chance to invest in a company that's transforming itself for the future. GM is building a moat with scale and technology, a formidable barrier to entry for new players that startups can't match, giving them a significant competitive advantage in the long run. While others talk, GM builds, demonstrating their commitment through action, not just words. This is where the real value is created, in the tangible assets and the execution of their strategic plan. The electric future is happening now, and GM is positioning itself to be a leader in this new era. Don't miss it. This could be a pivotal moment in automotive history. So, what should you watch with GM stock? First, track the ramp-up of Ultium-based EV production. Those numbers need to rise every quarter. Second, watch EV margins. As battery costs drop and scale increases, profitability should follow. Listen to management's confidence and execution on earnings calls. Third, monitor progress with Cruise and software services. These are high-margin recurring revenue streams. These tech bets could unlock a higher valuation. Remember, this is a long-term story, not a quick trade. There will be bumps, but GM's legacy business funds its growth engine. You're getting paid a dividend while you wait. The risk-reward is compelling. Do your homework, know the numbers, and see the opportunity. GM is a winner in the making. Booyah!